Good morning, student. Here we will solve alternate optimum solution from assignment model. Alternate optimum solution means here we are change the assignment but optimum cost is same. So first example, solve the following assignment problem from different resources. Here see first step is matrix is square matrix 4 by 4 matrix. So here each row minimum value, subtracting it from other elements from that row. First row minimum value is 22, to subtract by first row. Second row minimum value is 24, subtract by second row all elements. Third row minimum value is 27, so subtract by third row from each elements. And last row minimum value is 23, from subtract by each row. Here we will see the each row 1 0 is available, but each column 1 0 is not available. So here column B, C and D minimum value subtract by that column. Second column minimum value is 1, the subtract by second column each elements. Third column C minimum value is 2, the subtract by third column from 2 from each elements. And last column D minimum value is 1, so subtract by 1 in each elements. So here we will get the new matrix from resources value is 0 0 0 2, second row 0 0 0 2, third row all elements 0 and fourth row 0 1 3 0. So here we will solve the Hungarian method by each elements. फर्स्ट 0 को हमने असाइनमेंट दिया, तो उस रो और उस कॉलम में कोई भी असाइनमेंट वाला होगा तो वहाँ हमें क्रॉस करना है. सेकंड रो में भी हमने असाइनमेंट ले लिया, तो उस कॉलम में जो भी उस कॉलम और रो में जो भी असाइनमेंट हो वहाँ हमें क्रॉस करना है. सेम थर्ड रो में असाइनमेंट ले लिया, तो उस रो और कॉलम में कोई भी दूसरा असाइनमेंट हो तो वहाँ हमें क्रॉस करना है. और लास्ट कॉलम में भी असाइनमेंट मिल गया. तो हियर वी विल सी द one assignment from each row and each column, so that is solution is optimum. So here we will alternate optimum solution. First we will solve the all optimum cost is rupees 100 rupees. Alternate optimum solution we will see change the assignment. First here we will change first assignment to second assignment here. First, so say that row and that column other assignment is closed. Second row assignment, so that row and that column other assignment is closed. Third row assignment and last column row assignment. Other assignment is here we will get cross mark. So further same here will be optimum assignment cost rupees is 100. Optimum cost is 100 rupees. Same here we will another alternate solution is change the assignment. So we will find the same value optimum cost is 100 rupees. So our optimum cost is 100 rupees. Here we will change the assignment of each method. So that solution is alternate solution. हम असाइनमेंट चेंज कर रहे हैं तो भी हमारा ऑप्टिमम कॉस्ट आंसर सेम ही आ रहा है. सो दैट सॉल्यूशन हियर अल्टरनेट सॉल्यूशन. थैंक यू.